How's it going, everybody? Matt Borey here with my dad, Steve, and we are at the Seminole Hard Rock Hollywood once again, and we are going to be playing some $1.10 play. 9-5 jacks or better is $50 a spin. We're buying it for $1,000, so let's go ahead and see how we do.
Okay, let's get lucky, Matt. Okay, we're going to play 10-play draw poker. This is 9-5 jacks or better. The expected return on this game is a little bit less than 98.5%. All right, that was a little bit of a slow start, but I'm sure we can turn it all around here. Well, then again, maybe not. Let's see. All you need to do is get dealt a good hand in this. And you'll get 10 of them.
And as I said, this is $50 a spin, so if you don't get dealt stuff, this game gets rather expensive rather quickly. Or broke even. I'll always take a break even.
There's a winner.
Well,
Need a few more kings.
you're
Come
not
on.
guaranteed to win. You're guaranteed to break even. But we did, in fact, win, so.
Of course we won. Hey, here we go. We got 4 of a kind. It's 125. At least one of them would be nice. Come on.
One.
One right there.
We did it. Let's go.
All right. That was nice. Can we do it again? It's always nice to get dealt 3 of a kind in this game.
Yeah, because you're guaranteed to at least triple up, and then you got the chance at the quads, and you got chances at full houses. It's a fun hand. It's better than, like, I don't like getting dealt 2 pair, because 2 pair are the best. You're either going to keep the 2 pair, or you're going to fill it into a full house. There's no, like, other options. I like getting dealt 3 of a kind. Well, especially because it pays more.
Well, this is going to be a tough one to break even on.
Just get quads and we'll win money.
Yeah, if it were only that simple. Now, if we were playing double-double bonus, we'd keep just the ace, but jacks are better. We keep the ace and the jack.
Hey, Dad, you're slacking here. Where are all our winnings going?
I need to get dealt 3 of a kind again, and you'll see how quickly it all builds back up.
Or how about you just get dealt a royal flush? I wouldn't mind a $10,000 dealt royal.
Well, we had a shot at an $8,000 royal earlier today on our
Yes.
Super Stacks Super Time Spay.
Yeah, go watch that video if you haven't seen it yet. That's a fun one. We had an 8 times multiplier and got dealt 3 to the royal and had, what, 19 shots at it, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
19, and of course, we ended up with 19 losers, but we won money, I believe, for
You weren't supposed to tell them, Dad. They were supposed to go watch and find out for themselves.
But it was a thrill for a second. Said, oh, we got a shot at an $8,000 royal.
Yeah, and I think it was the first hand we sat down and got dealt.
Yeah, it was crazy. Hey,
Hey,
now what did
there's
I
your
say
dealt-
before,
there's
Matt?
your dealt
What did I
trips
say
again.
before?
You said, let me get dealt trips again, and then we'll see how high or how fast this goes up.
Exactly.
Let's see.
So
Get
see.
multiple quads here. How about that one? Got a full house.
Full house. Closest I got. But again, builds up rather quickly when you get dealt those 3 of a kinds.
Yeah, you get dealt the 3 of a kind, you're guaranteed at least 150. So.
Tens. Oh wow! Look at that.
There, that makes up for your
Wow.
dealt trips there, Dad.
That was crazy. How the hell did that happen? I'll have to make up for it here with full houses.
Whoa, you missed one.
Sticky button, I guess. Not a 1. But we'll take it, $100.
We still doubled up. Better than if we were playing double bonus, we'd have broke even there.
It made up for that 0 for 10 on the.
Oh, I'm sorry. What was that, Dad? Oh.
See? You're a little too premature there, Matt, with your comment. Doubting your father.
Was about to attempt to correct your play there, but of course Steve Borey does not make a mistake on that previous hand.
Exactly. There are the 10s. Last time I did this, we were 0 for 10. Can that happen again? I don't think so. There, see? There you go, much better.
That was much better. Do that every time we get dealt a low pair, that'd be great.
Yeah, it would be. Some 8s, please. Oh, got a few, thank you. Hey, 4 of a kind. Look at that.
Out of nowhere. There we
Out
go.
of
I
nowhere.
wasn't even paying.
I did it the hard
elsewhere.
way. The hard way, just holding a pair of 5s.
Now do it the real hard way, holding nothing. I want to see
Just
quads on a
get-
redraw, Dad.
get
I'm not
nothing?
impressed. I'm not impressed.
I can do it. I just need to get 2 flushes here to break even.
I'd be really impressed if you got quads holding that.
Yeah, that would be. Yeah.
I would
broke
say
even
there
now.
might be something wrong with the machine if you got quads holding 4 to a flush. There's the Del quads, $1,250. There you go. I'm impressed.
Keep the 3.
I'm impressed,
Yeah,
Dad.
because you
Handpay.
You dared me.
I dared him to do it, and he did it.
$1,250.
$1,250. Let's see it.
Boom! Look at this. Wow.
Handpay, baby. Handpay.
Handpay City.
Where'd the slot tech go? He was just right here. Woo! Look at that. There we go. There we go. All right, well, we're going to wait. Sit here and wait while we get paid.
And we're going to cash
back.
out.
Yeah.
This is our winning session. We got $2,400.
We won $1,400.
$1,400.
All right, so while we wait to get paid, we'll see you guys later.